Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. We are going to look for day 2. So I think it was in, I saw it when I pulled out one, but I think it was a big one. Oh, here we go. Day 2. This box is adorable. Oh my gosh. I mean, you could reuse these for something fun in your sewing room. All right. Is it going to be a mug or something? I would think something like square or hard could fit into this box. That's so cute. A little tin. It's an iron-shaped tin. So we've got quilt blocks all the way around. We've got this tiny little handle, and it's rattling just a little bit. So I wonder if there's something inside. Oh, that's fun. So we have long, straight pins. Those are really cute. Oh, we've got some beads. We've got some beads, some more beads, some light, Christmas lights. Oh, some sparkly charms and some bells and bows and buttons. Now, I'm thinking that these could be, if you've got a pair of pliers, you can load the long stem of the pins with some beads and then make yourself like a fob or a scissor dangly or something like that. That's cute. So this is day 2 of the Missouiri Star Quilt Box.